Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to roms4you. Let's look at how to install MIUI ROG Edition 12 port on Xiaomi POCO F1. Before getting started, if you are new to my channel, please check out my other videos and subscribe my channel if you like them. So to begin with, you need to have the ROM file and customized TWRP downloaded in your phone. Link for both of these can be found in the description. Next is a unlocked bootloader and custom recovery installed. Next is to remove all security measures and Google accounts linked with your phone. I have already removed all of them. Once you're done with this, power off your device. Now press and hold power key followed by volume up key till you see the boot logo. Once you are in TWRP recovery, go to wipe, advanced wipe and select Dalvik, cache, vendor, data, internal memory and swipe to wipe. Select home and now select install and navigate into the location where the TWRP you have downloaded from description and select the image. Select TWRP file, then select recovery and swipe to flash. Without this TWRP, you won't be able to boot this ROM. Mostly you will end up with frozen boot logo. Once install finishes, select home. Select reboot. Wait until your phone reboots into current recovery. Once you are in recovery, select install and navigate into downloaded ROM file. In my case, I have kept it under SD card root folder, so selecting ROM file and swipe to flash. Wait until the recovery finish flashing. Once flashing finishes, verify there is no errors noticed. Select wipe cache Dalvik and swipe to wipe. Once it finishes, reboot system. Yes, you can see the ROG logo. Let me finish the first boot steps quickly and come back. So yeah, here it is. Looks like the app drawer is broken. But you can install a third-party launcher to resolve it. Now let's quickly go to settings and themes and look for ROG theme and select apply. Here it is, the Abhix MIUI 12 ROG edition. Since this ROM is a port from MI 90 Pro, you'll be getting all features from 90 Pro. The kernel they are using is Genos R16 from OOF gang. So I am interested in testing out what does this ROM can offer in terms of gaming. So wait for my next video. That's all for today. Till next time, bye bye and take care.